I was there to dry her tears, and when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me, through the summer and the fall, we had each other. That was all. Just she and I together, like it was